In the last video, we took this 20-year-old car apart piece by piece, just enough to reach every dirty corner hiding underneath. Now it's time to clean, really clean. Today we're washing every inch of this car inside and out, and we're doing it with a cleaner we made ourselves. It's cheap, it's simple, and it works like magic. Let's get it started. First, we need to vacuum all the dust and debris inside the car. After we're done vacuuming, we're loosening up the built-up dirt with just some water and a brush. Moving on to next step, to clean up the dashboard, I'm using a light interior cleaner you can easily find at any auto store. After you're done brushing, let it sit for 3 minutes and wipe it off. This is before, and this is after. For this level of dirt, a light interior cleaner just won't cut it anymore. So now we're gonna make our own powerful cleaning solution right at home. I'm gonna mix carpet shampoo, dish soap, and a tiny bit of bleach. But be careful, cause too much bleach can ruin the color of everything. Now we're gonna clean up everything using the mix we just made. Plastic trims, fabric panels, carpet, even the seats. And when we're done, it's gonna look brand new again. Now for the plastic trims, I'll show you before and after of two pieces so you can see exactly how this works. This is before and this is after. This is perfect, so let's use it to clean up everything. The car's headliner is super dirty, and because of its material, brushing it makes it look like this. But don't worry, all the fuzz gets cleaned up with a super simple trick. We're using a simple disposable razor to shave off all the fuzz. It's that easy. This is before and this is after. Crazy how these little tricks can totally transform the look. We're keeping the door panels on. With this cleaning solution and a drill brush, they get cleaned like new right in place. This mix is totally safe, no worries at all. You can even use it to clean up your engine or car's paint without any damage. Everything was going perfect until we got to the rimes. Our regular mix wasn't strong enough, so we had to step it up for some serious grind. This mix we're making is super strong, so don't let it touch anything except the rimes. Carpet shampoo, scalping powder, dish soap, bleach, and vinegar. The last one might surprise you, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. This combo makes it simple to blast away even the heaviest dirt on your rime. Huge thanks for watching. Next, we're diving into a full paint detailing with an insane color revival so the car's exterior shines just like the inside. If you want to see how this car turns out when we're done, follow along and don't miss the next part. And if you want to support us, just give us a thumbs up.